Just going to do a little review on this rubbish fridge. Just switch it on. Get my fingers out of the way. Right, where do I start? Right, one, it takes forever to get cold, especially when it's like 20 plus degrees outside. The second thing is, it's only got the cooling facility coming out of the compressor going to one side, so basically it wants to freeze the freezer first. I've took the door off and I'll explain that in a minute. It wants to freeze the freezer first, and then eventually it might do the fridge if it can be bothered. Now on the settings on here, for instance, if it's set for -12 on freezer and it's set for 1 on fridge. Now what usually happens is when that hits -12, then the fridge switches off and doesn't actually do anything for the fridge until you press the setting button and just let it flash and then let go, and then the fridge kicks back in again and starts cooling again. So that's the first thing. Second thing is, I mean, freezer's just like not even a freezer, it's tiny. So what I've had to do is take the freezer door off, which clips off, which allows the cold from the freezer to cool the fridge. I don't know if, I mean, the freezer still goes down to -12, but I'm not sure if that'll actually freeze anything with door off. I mean, size wise it is what it is, you know. You get your milk and eggs and whatnot, and sand, you know, from squid, from sea fishing and that. The other thing is, I don't know if you see how thin, but it's probably, the insulation is probably 1 inch. So basically once it gets down to -12, within less than 5 minutes it's dropped 3 degrees, so it's back on. It's on and off every 3 minutes. So it's not a very good fridge, I'm afraid. Vibrates as well. I've took one of the plastic things off here because you can just about get a carton of milk in there. If you've got your plastic tray out here, you can't get anything in. You can't even put anything at bottom because that's in way. So milk wise you're struggling unless you get UHT in them square things and fasten it in there. So my advice is, I wouldn't buy one if I were you. I'd go for a proper one.